let's say I'm not in a good mood. You know what I mean? And you listen then, it would be like murmur, 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 murmur. Like, I can't be bothered with this shit. Murmur. You can hear it, which is, you can. I've heard it. I have a stethoscope at home, and then but let's say I'm angry. You can hear that too, believe it or not. So let's say I don't like getting angry, and I get ashamed. But I'm a human being mostly, so I get angry sometimes. But if you heard it then, it'd be like murmur, 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 motherfucker, murmur, motherfucker, murmur, murmur, murmur. Kind of like that. Which is, it's not good to be angry, but that's kind of cool. And then let's say